Hello dear traders, my name is Tim and these are the main trading ideas for current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with dollar index. The dollar index is testing support at 103 points. Investors are looking forward to the main event of the week, the speech of the head of the US Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, at the Conference of Central Banks held annually in Jackson Hole. It is assumed that Powell will clarify the prospects for US monetary policy, but leave the question of further monetary policy open, pointed out that the regulator's decision on the rate will depend on macroeconomic data. Currently, there is no consensus among the regulator's members. Some believe that the cost of borrowing should remain at the same level, as price growth has slowed, while others insist on another increase in interest rates, as core inflation is still far from the target level of 2%. In such conditions, we recommend holding short position on the dollar. Next, USD Japanese yen. The USD Japanese yen pair is consolidating near 146. Analysts at JP Morgan Chase believed that interventions from the Japanese regulator should be expected until the value of the US dollar exceeds 150 yen. Until then, the bank will not take any actions, as fundamental conditions in the national economy are improving. In addition, the latest data on inflation in Japan pointed to a reduction in inflationary pressure, which allows the regulator not to rush to abandon the loose monetary policy. On the side of the buyers of the USD Japanese yen pair, there is also market sentiment indicated that most traders are now selling the pair. Against this background, the growth of the USD Japanese yen pair may continue. And finally, NZDUSD. The NZDUSD pair is consolidating near 0.5930. Last week, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand decided to keep interest rate at 5.50. At a press conference, the bank's management noted that the current level of the interest rate is in line with the regulator's goal of stabilizing prices, so there is no need to further tighten of the national monetary policy. Recall that earlier the growth of the New Zealand currency was caused by expectations of an additional rate hike. The pressure on the New Zealand dollar is also exerted by the worsening economic outlook for China, which may cause a decrease in demand for commodities exported from New Zealand. Against this background, the decline of the pair may continue. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.